In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GIFs from Google or any website on your PC or laptop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find, download, and save GIFs so you can use them in your projects, presentations, or just for fun. Let's start with the basics. A GIF is simply an image file that supports animation, kind of like a very short, looping video. Because it's an image file, you can download it almost the same way you would download a regular picture, but you have to make sure you actually save the GIF format, not just a still frame. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you like. In the address bar at the top, type in google.com and press enter. Once Google loads, click on the Images tab, usually found at the top of the page. This switches your search to show image results instead of websites. Now, in the search box, type the kind of GIF you're looking for. For example, you might search for Funny Cat GIF or Loading Animation GIF. After you press enter, you'll see a grid of images. To make sure you're specifically seeing animated GIFs, you can click on Tools. Then under Type, choose GIF if that option is available. This filters the results so that you only see animated images. When you find a GIF you like, click on it once. A larger preview will open on the right or in the center, depending on your browser. Wait a moment to confirm it's actually moving. That's how you know it's a real GIF and not just a still image. Next, move your mouse over the moving GIF, then right-click on it. In the menu that appears, look for an option like Save Image As. Click that, and a save window will pop up. At the bottom of this window, you should see the file type listed as .gif. If it shows a different format, like .jpg or PNG, it means you might not be saving the animation. So make sure you're right-clicking directly on the actual GIF. Choose the folder where you want to save it, like your Downloads or Pictures folder, and give the file a name you'll remember. Then click Save. To check that everything worked, go to the folder where you saved the file and open it. You should see the GIF playing in your photo viewer or browser. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded a GIF from Google or a website onto your PC or laptop.